The 2015 Can-Am Outlander L DPS. Designed to tackle the toughest jobs without breaking down, the Can-Am Outlander L DPS will impress you with its tough character. It is built around the SST G2 frame with geometric contact control, which is made of welded steel parts, being carefully engineered to enhance the ATV's structural integrity and handling. Moreover, for enhanced agility, the Can-Am Outlander L DPS features a tri-mode dynamic power steering (DPS). On the practical side of things, the Can-Am Outlander L DPS features a standard rear hitch plate and a large 1,300-pound (590 kilograms) towing capacity. It is also worthy of being mentioned that there are two engine options available. The base unit is a 427cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, SOHC, 4-valve engine, and the second one is a slightly stronger 499.6cc, V-twin, liquid-cooled, SOHC, 8-valve, 4-valve, SIL engine. Hit the jump for more information on the Can-Am Outlander L DPS. Overview. Raise your expectations, not your price range. Get the all-terrain performance you'd expect from Can-Am at the most accessible price ever. With the added comfort of tri-mode dynamic power steering (DPS). 2015 Can-Am Outlander L DPS key base features. Rotax 450 and 500 engine options. Continuously variable transmission (CVT). Industry-leading power-to-weight ratio. Large 5.4 gallons 20.5 L fuel tank. Dual-room air box. Torsional trailing arm independent (TTI) rear suspension. Surrounding spar technology SST G2 frame. Double A-arm front suspension. 10.5 in. Ground clearance. 214 disc brakes. 5-year extended warranty. Genuine accessories add versatility. Steel rack with Lin Q quick attach accessory system. Convenient rear storage. 1300 lb towing capacity. Multi-function digital gauge. Available 2-up model. 70W lighting. 2015 Can-Am Outlander L DPS key package features. 500W magneto. Tri-mode dynamic power steering (DPS). 12-in. Cast aluminum wheels with 25-in. Tires. Visco Low QE auto locking front differential. 2015 Can-Am Outlander L DPS features and benefits. Performance. Industry-leading performance. Hitting the trail, going hunting, or just taking in nature, there's a Rotax engine that will get you to where you want to go. Choose from the 38 HP Rotax 450 or the 46 HP Rotax 500 FE engine to match your off-road adventure. Category-leading performance. Select from either a 38 HP single-cylinder, liquid-cooled Rotax 450 4-stroke or a 46 HP, 8-valve, liquid-cooled SOHC Rotax 500 V-twin. The proven Can-Am Rotax engines offer unmatched power and performance while remaining both reliable and efficient. Always in the right gear. Continuously variable transmission means you are always in the correct gear. For ease of use, you can count on the integrated engine braking feature to help slow down the ATV when descending hills. Performance edge. Every Can-Am is built with a Rotax engine, featuring best-in-class power and an industry-leading power-to-weight ratio. Unmatched power provides a performance edge. There's also superior fuel efficiency. Large capacity. Ride longer and get the job done with the large capacity fuel tank. Easy breathing for best performance. The Outlander L DPS has a no-tools air box that is elevated and centralized for unmatched efficiency. Its dual-room setup works to capture and trap dirty air and then effectively transfer clean air to the engine for optimal performance. Strong power output. This package provides a more powerful magneto with 500 W of power output. Extra output to power accessories like added lights or heated grips. Handling. Precision-engineered handling. harness the Outlander L's best-in-class power with superior handling. The Tri-Mode Dynamic Power Steering (DPS) with Visco Low QE auto-locking front differential means you can select less assistance at high speeds and more at low speeds to effortlessly take on any terrain. Eliminates scrub and camber changes. The industry's only independent rear suspension where the rear wheels pivot up and down in a vertical line rather than a more cumbersome butterfly motion. It is also strategically designed to offer point-and-shoot handling, optimal traction and the efficient transferring of power to the ground. With 5 preload settings on the shocks and 8.8 inches of suspension travel, the Outlander L DPS soaks up rough terrain to keep the rider comfortable and focused on the trail. More efficient design. Outlander L models are based upon the SST G2 frame with geometric contact control. Its welded steel frame is engineered with enhanced durability and structural integrity, plus precision handling. Better steering feel. Includes dive control geometry for better cornering and vehicle braking dynamics. The 9-in suspension travel increases trail comfort and capabilities in rough terrain. Tackle tough terrain. A whopping 10.5 inches of ground clearance gives the Outlander L exceptional capabilities in challenging terrain. Superior stopping power. For superior stopping power, large front and rear 214mm disc brakes with hydraulic twin-piston calipers are standard. Steering assistance. The Tri-Mode DPS features 3 selectable modes, Min, Med, and Max, of assist. Each mode provides less assist at high speed for better precision and more assist at low speed for easier steering. Durable wheels. Centerless 12-in cast aluminum wheels reduce weight and offer improved strength in strategic areas. The wheels are wrapped in 25-in Carlisle Trail Wolf tires for rugged performance on tough terrain and changing conditions. Better control. The Can-Am Visco Low QE system is one of the most consumer-friendly designs on the market, as the progressively and automatically locking front differential system requires no additional buttons to push or levers to hold. Once 4x4 is selected, the system intelligently transfers power from the slipping front wheel to the opposing wheel with traction and is not hampered by speed or rev limiters. The QE version progressively transfers the power even more quickly. Design. Rider-focused design. Ergonomics and design are built around the rider for maximum comfort, convenience and versatility. Unmatched peace of mind. Our BRP Extended Service Terms (BEST) warranty program gives you peace of mind because your vehicle is backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty. The program includes dealerships throughout North America, BRP-certified technicians, unlimited mileage and is transferable with ownership. Make it yours. No matter the task or destination, the Outlander L DPS is ready for the challenge. With a large range of accessories and versatile Lin-Q-enabled rack system, it's built with the rider in mind. Whether you're riding alone or with a passenger, you can customize the Max for your specific needs, work and play. Easy on, easy off. The Outlander L models feature front and rear steel rack designs with a 360-pound (163 kilograms) combined rack capacity, front 120 pounds (54 kilograms), rear 240 pounds (109 kilograms). The integrated Lin-Q Quick Attach accessory system offers convenient and adaptable cargo hauling capabilities and works with numerous Can-Am rack accessories. Convenient storage. Located on the rear rack, a 2.9-gallon 10.9L water-resistant compartment offers convenient storage. Carry the load. Fully equipped to move a load, the Outlander L has a standard rear hitch plate and a large 1,300-pound (590 kilograms) towing capacity. Easy to read gauge. The Can-Am Visco Loc system is one of the most rider-friendly designs on the market, as the progressively and automatically locking front differential system requires no buttons to push or levers to hold. Once 4x4 is selected, the system intelligently transfers power from the slipping front wheel to the opposing wheel with traction and is not hampered by a speed or rev limiters. Designed for a passenger. For those looking to share the Can-Am riding experience with others, the Outlander L models are also available in the popular and purpose-built SST G2 Max 2-Up configuration. Light the night. Equipped with dual 35W front headlights, with selectable high and low beams, for superb visual clarity. Choose your look. Chose your preferred between the signature Can-Am yellow, light gray with Can-Am red decals or, the optional, water-dipped camo. Specifications. Quotes. For 2015, BRP takes the entry-level rec utility ATV segment by storm with the all-new 2015 Can-Am Outlander L 500 4x4. This machine features a class-leading 46 HP, 8-valve, liquid-cooled SOHC Rotax 500V twin, nestled in a similar G2 SST frame found on the larger-bore Can-Am Outlander 4x4 models. That is not all, the vehicle also includes an unprecedented, industry-leading, 5-year extended warranty and numerous changes to make it the most affordable and value-packed Can-Am Outlander ATV to date. A rear-mounted silencer, steel tubular racks, Sachs 5-way preload adjustable shocks and Carlisle Trail Wolf tires on steel wheels are just a few changes. Power steering, alternate colors, larger magneto and cast aluminum wheels are available on the Can-Am Outlander L 500 DPS model. ATV riders.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.